In this video, I will walk you through the various workspaces available in Fusion 360. On the top left, you can see the design label. And when I point to this label, you can see the pop-up Change Workspace. When you click on this design label, you get the list of workspaces available in Fusion 360. The first one is the design workspace. It is used to create 2D sketches and convert them into 3D models by performing operations like extrusion, fillet, shell, etc., and also to create relationships between them by assembling them in some way. In this course, I will be mostly working with the design workspace. The next is the generative design workspace. It is a very interesting workspace, but this is not a standard feature of the hobbyist version of Fusion 360. In any CAD software, in order to make a component, you need to specify the dimensions to create the component. But in generative design workspace, you need not specify the dimensions directly. Rather, you specify a few constraints like some important dimensions, cost constraint, material constraint, etc. And based on these constraints, Fusion 360 uses algorithms and artificial intelligence and creates a design on its own. For example, if I have designed a component, say a scissor, then the generative design can give a possible options for the design of a case to fit the scissor properly. This saves the time taken for drafting and can help generate designs that are closer to the ones found in nature. The next one is the render workspace. This workspace is used for creating realistic rendering, basically for creating nice visuals of the design. Then we have the animation workspace. The animation workspace enables us to explore a design into its various components, and these are really useful in understanding complex assembly. Then we have the simulation workspace where we can use concepts like finite element analysis to study a component for static stresses and thermal stresses. Next, we have the manufacture workspace. In order to manufacture something, you need to run a block of metal through a machine, and we need to decide how a tool path would move. So this workspace is used for generating these tool path strategies. The next is the drawing workspace, which is used for generating 2D drawings for manufacture from the 3D designs.